Let's come to robotics. This part is given in your book on page number 174 and it needs to be read. You should read each and every column that is given in your book. And this is the last topic of this lesson that we are going to discuss. So dear students, we learned about electromagnets. I told you when we make magnet by using electricity, by electoral method, then those magnets are known as electromagnets. And these electromagnets are used in some robots. You have learnt about robots. You must have watched the movies also in which robots are shown. So electromagnets, they are used in some robots. The electromagnet is a type of magnet around which a magnetic field is produced by flow of electric current. As we have discussed that when we make magnet using electricity, electric current, then they are known as the electromagnet. And these are a type of magnet around which a magnetic field is produced by the flow of electric current. So when we produce a magnetic field by electric current, by the flow of electric current, then electromagnets are formed. And this simple principle has led to the invention of different items used to design robots. By this principle of making electromagnet using the flow of electric current, we have made different items. Human beings have invented different items that are used to design robots. So robots are the electromagnets that are used for picking up metal parts. So we can say this, that robots are electromagnets for picking up metal parts. When the power supply is switched on, the robot arm lifts the object without using grippers. Means it uses electricity. As we talked about the electric switch, as we switch on, the circuit is complete and electricity, it starts flowing, the current starts flowing and the equipment, it starts working. In the same way, when the power supply is switched on, it means the electric current has started flowing and the circuit is complete and the equipment will work definitely. So when the power supply is switched on, the robot arm, it lifts the object without using the grippers or fingers. It lifts the object, magnetic power used here. So it carries the object across the yard and drop it when the power supply is turned off. So what we learned from here, that when electricity is being used and magnetic field is produced, the electromagnets are being produced and they are produced by flow of electric current. And just like when the switch was on, then electric current started flowing, so magnet is also working. So robot, what it does, as soon as the electricity is supplied, electric current start flowing, then the robot, it starts lifting the objects. And as soon as the switch is off, when power supply is turned off, what it does, it drops the equipment, it drops the object. It carries the object across the yard and drops it when power supply is turned off. So as soon as we turn off the power supply, it will drop the object. It will no more hold the object. Only electric current is needed